Feed me.
I will not. So stop asking.
Feed me.
Under no circumstances.
Feed me.
Look, how about I run down to the corner store and pick you up some rare roast beef? Maybe that'll hold you until Life magazine comes in the morning.
No way.
Look, it's my last offer. Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Good. Fine. Great. And don't think you're getting dessert.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Very long, yeah.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink. Hey, little lady, be I'll bring this rain. Don't need no glass and no eyes. Don't need no twist of line. And now it's supper time. Relax and it'll be easier. Come on, throw your head right in motion in the right side.
Audrey, are you okay?
Yes. Oh. No.
Audrey, wake up. Audrey, don't die. Audrey, please don't die. I need you here.
You know, I just said the funniest thing just now. It said that, oh, and then Mr. Bushnick on the inside.
It's true. I did it. I did mention it.
Is that what made it so big and strong and you so famous?
Yes, I've done horrible things, Audrey. But never to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, you should be very shortly. I'm going to give me to the plant so I can live and give you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're talking about.
But I do. Because it's the most fun I can give to you. Because if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. There he is, smart. He's right over there.
Thanks, Mia. Wait for me. Krelborn? Seymour Krelborn?
Leave me alone.
Patrick Martin, licensing and marketing. World Botanical Enterprises. I've got a gilt-edged proposition for you, boy.
I'm not interested.
Let me explain in more detail. We take the small leaf cuttings and develop the larger twos and summer floors all across the nation. Pretty soon, every household will have them. I got a truck outside of some pots. If you don't mind, we'll start taking them, right? And with the right half dozen, these will be bigger than hula hoops.
Bigger than hula hoops?
Much bigger.
Every household in America? Thousands of you eating! That's what you've had in mind all along, isn't it?
Yes.
We're not talking about one hungry pig here. We're talking about world conquest!
And I want to thank you.
You're a monster! And so am I!
Me!
You ain't the only thing I ever loved!
Too bad.
That's it!